How to unlock a locked keyboard. Hello everyone, and let's get started. The keyboard gets locked if you use Win plus CTRL plus L, and there are a few other reasons as well. It could be outdated driver, dirt, physical damage, or lost connection if you are using a wired keyboard. So let's work on some of the steps that you can apply. The first one is turning off filter keys. For that, go to Settings and Accessibility. Scroll down a bit and go to Keyboards. From there, turn off or toggle off the option of filter keys. Similarly, as a next step, what you can apply is restarting your computer. It could fix the temporary bugs, including locked keyboard as well. Third solution would be checking your batteries. If you are using a wireless keyboard, make sure the batteries aren't drained out and change the batteries and check again. For the fourth solution, make sure to check for physical damage. Moving on, you also need to check for updating your drivers. For that, open Device Manager and go to Keyboards. Right-click on your keyboard and click on Update Driver. This can also help to fix the issue. The next solution that you need to apply is check the connections. If you are using a wired keyboard with your system, check that it is properly connected, and if you are using Bluetooth, check if the connection is working fine. So this way you can log into your keyboard or use the port as well. So this were some of the solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.